Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a knotless with feet in at the top. So we are going to be using a Buzz Free Scratch hair, and also the hair come with two different colors. But we are going to be doing a little bit of highlight with 27 and the 30 mixed with 27. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of 27 with the highlight and also mix the 27 with the 30. That's the colors you want. And also we are going to be doing the knotless at the bottom, and also going to be doing a feet in at the top. So basically we're going to be doing like 75% knotless and 25% feet in. So like one of my things when I'm doing knotless, I like my part to be clean cut. It make me happy, and also that's the main thing when you're doing knotless. You gotta really focus on your parts and a clean cut. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing, because her hair is kind of a little thin, so I'm gonna be like probably do four row at the first row, and after the second row gonna be doing like 6 or 7, so that we will be able to, her hair can be full, because normally the knotless is not full. It's not like box braid. So, and I'm just gonna take my time and do this hair. So basically this is my first time ever doing a style like this, where we're gonna have to do like almost half of the hair will knotless and the rest of it will feed in. So I'm excited to see how this gonna come out, and I cannot wait to share the finishing look. Okay, so and also I am using a gel. I am using a braiding gel. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Everything I'm using in this video, I'm gonna leave the link down below, and you can also purchase these on Amazon. Okay, and also if you are looking for a braiding gel, I can also sell that to you as well. So you can just follow my Instagram link gonna be down below. You can follow my Instagram and send me the DM. Okay, so pretty much I am loving the way the hair coming out, and the color is really pretty. Kind of like it because we're about to get in summer, and I'm just excited. I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn up. And yeah, so now we did like 3 row already, so I got about like 3 more to go at the back. So basically I'm gonna be doing like 6 rows at the back. So I did 3 and we got 3 more to go, and I'm gonna try to make sure to make the hair like kind of full, and also make the part very nice and even. Yes. Okay, so guys, like this is my favorite part. So I'm in the process of doing the feeding at the top, and the other half was knotless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dip the hair in the hot water. The reason why we dip hair in the hot water is because we want the ends to look very smooth and natural. And after that, I have to do my TikTok or Instagram reel. So, and I'm gonna put some mousse on the hair so you can lay out all the baby hair that I didn't catch and stuff like that. So that's the reason why I put mousse on my hair. And sometimes it feel better on the scalp. It feel better on the scalp. And I'm gonna go ahead with my oil sheen. And after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and whip it out and make it shine. And we're gonna take some pictures. And okay, so that's it for the video. So I am really just super happy the way it turned up. It turned out really cute, and she loved her hair. And she loved her hair so much, and I love the color and stuff like that. So y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more video, let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna try my possible best to bring you guys more video and stuff like that. Like, what would you like to see? What type of hairstyle would you like to see? So let me know in the comment section, and thank you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be safe.